Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slap. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the brand new Charlotte Tilbury quick and easy makeup kit. This is supposed to be a 5-minute makeup look that you can take wherever you want and do your makeup and have a fully fledged look in 5 minutes. So I got the shade Sunkissed. I'm going to be testing it out for you guys today, letting you know if it's worth the money. It is a whopping £55 and 75 US dollars. So I'm going to let you guys know whether it's something you should go out and get. So I'm just going to get into it. But if you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We'd love to have you in the Slap family. And without further ado, guys, here is the video. So this is brand new from Charlotte Tilbury. She came up with 5 new easy makeups in 5-minute kits, and they come with a highlighter, a lip and cheek product and an eye product, as well as a mirror and a gorgeous little case, part of her travel essentials on the go holiday, summer holiday ready range. And it's called New Quick and Easy Makeup, and it comes in a variety of shades. I think 5 shades or 5 different shade sets. And then actually, when I was just looking on the website now, you can actually buy all of the shades individually. So if you want to mix and match your own little kit, or you want to refill with your own little kit, or you just want to have one packet and then refill and swap out other shades, and you can do that. All the shades do look quite similar, so I don't think you'll need to get many. But if, for example, like I really wanted 2 of the different lip products, then you could potentially just get yourself an extra lip product. That being said, from what I could see online, it does not look cheap. It looks pretty pricey, and I'm not sure how justifiable it is yet. I haven't seen the size of anything or how much product you actually get, but for what it seems like it does seem like quite a lot of money for each individual bit. The individual items are £20 and 27 US dollars each, which does seem quite a lot for like a mini little lip product or a mini little highlighter. I guess it's not crazy, but if you're gonna buy like a couple of things and you end up spending like 60 quid very quickly, or like £40 just to get like a blusher and a little eye stick, and you might be better off getting a bigger kind of full-size product like a Laura Mercier caviar stick, or like the Victoria Beckham Cheeky Posh. But I am excited about this. I don't know why. I think it's the thing that launched before the thing we all want, which is the cream bronzer. So whilst I'm waiting for the cream bronzer, I thought I would try this. I got the shade Sunkissed, but the other shades they have are Date Night, Pretty Fresh, Summer Chic and Golden Glow. I was very, very tempted to get Summer Chic and Date Night. Sunkissed looked like the perfect mix between Date Night and Super Chic, which were shades I both wanted. So I felt like Sunkissed would tick all the boxes for me and hopefully be okay. So it says, scribble, smudge, swipe and go in minutes with my new quick and easy instant 5-minute makeup look. I'm gonna show you guys the packaging, some swatches, and then I'm gonna get into a demo. So guys, those are the swatches on. I have to say I'm a little bit disappointed, and I do think I probably could build a better on-the-go kit from things I already have. I think the beauty of this is the compactness of it. I really like the packaging. I love that gold Charlotte Tilbury logo. I think that's really nice. It's really easy to use. It's got like a little groove here where you can stick your nail in and open it. I think it could have been a bit jazzier, maybe like a magnetic close or something like that to kind of justify the price a bit more. It's fine, it's not bad, but I mean, could have been swankier. I do like the fact that there's a mirror on this as well. I think the disappointing thing about this is that there are no lids, so you can't just say, oh, I love this, I'm gonna take this out today. You have to always take the whole kit out because they don't have lids, which is kind of annoying if you have like a small clutch, but you really love the lip and cheek product and you just wanna take that out. You can't then do that because there are no lids. And that kind of does make this a little bit restricting, even though it's supposed to kind of make your life easier by saying, oh, you can take these out with you and create a look in minutes. If there's something you really love, you can't actually bring it out the house without lugging the whole thing around, and it is quite thick. In a big bag you wouldn't notice it, but in a clutch it probably wouldn't fit. So that's a bit disappointing and a bit confusing as to why they've done that. In terms of the shades themselves, I'm very disappointed in the cheek product. I think that's going to be too pink for me. It's very close to the Velvet Petal from Lisa Eldridge, so if you do like that shade or you've got that shade, then that's an pretty much exact dupe for that. The eyeshadow I thought was actually going to be exactly the same as the Laura Mercier Rose Glow caviar stick that I have, but it turns out that Laura Mercier is much richer, and I didn't realize how much richer it was until I swatched the Charlotte Tilbury one. The one thing I would say that is pretty stellar on this is the highlighter. That glided on my wrist. It's got a really nice sheen to it. It's got a really nice looseness in the texture. It's very silky. It's very emollient. It looks very glowy, and it looks kind of like a bit more oil based than something like the Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I definitely would recommend that of all three so far. I haven't obviously tried them on my cheeks, and maybe I'll think differently in 10 minutes time or 5 minutes time. I like the gold of the logo. I don't love the opening. It's kind of awkward. I like the fact that there's a mirror for an on-the-go product. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try it all on. Apparently this is a 5-minute look, so I should be able to create my face, although it's just kind of the finishing touches of my face in 5 minutes. I should be able to do my eyes, my cheeks, and my lips. I'm not going to put a timer on, I'm just going to put a stopwatch on, and let's see how long this takes me. I'm going to start now. So first up, I'm going to try the cheek product. This is the Easy Lip and Cheek Wand in the shade Sunkissed. Slightly concerned about the shade of this. It looks a bit pinkier than I wanted it to. It does feel very creamy on, but it definitely looks too light for my cheeks. Don't love that shade, not very flattering. It's like okay on the lips actually, it's very silky on. I'm going to put the cream eyeshadow stick on, which is kind of the reason I bought this, so hopefully it's good. This is the side with no eyeshadow primer. I'm going to put it on top of the side with a base on. Definitely isn't smooth to apply with or without an eyeshadow primer. It kind of drags. It feels very patchy. It looks very patchy. I'm going to put some of the blusher on this side of my face. And then I'm going to top it off with the highlighter, which is the last hope. Okay guys, so that's done. It is 4:47. So it was under 5 minutes. It did take me 4 minutes and 47 seconds to do this face. Do I love this face? I'm not sure. It doesn't look as bad as when I first applied it. When I first applied it, I was like, oh God, I've made a huge mistake. What have I done? Looking at it now altogether, it doesn't look terrible. I look very fresh face. I look quite young and sprightly, but I don't think this is necessarily complimentary on me. I don't know if it's necessarily the best for my skin tone. I have to say, I like the cheek product on the lip. It feels super creamy on. Very moisturizing. My lips were very dry. Also, the color's a lot more flattering than the Lisa Eldridge Velvet Petal is straight off the bat, but I don't love it as much on the cheeks. I think it works really well with the highlighter because the highlighter warms it up and gives it a bit more of a glazy finish. The highlighter definitely gives it a bit more of a glow and a bit more of a glaze. On the eyes, from afar, they don't look that bad, but I think close up, it's a little patchy for me. It's not terrible. I'm not obsessed with it. I do feel like it's a little bit of a gimmick. But what I'll do is I'll give you guys a quick close-up of it just as it is. And then I will put on some liner and some mascara and show you my finished look. So guys, that is it. I put some mascara on and I feel pretty much the same. In person, it doesn't look as light as it does on camera, but it's not that bad on the cheeks. There's a sheerness to it that's not, when I first apply it, it looks really chalky and pink, but there is a sheerness to it when I do blend it out that does make it a bit more flattering, but it doesn't necessarily warm my complexion and give me like a really nice sultry vibe or summery sun-kissed vibe. I don't feel sun-kissed, I have to say. I think the eyeshadow is okay. It's not necessarily brightening my eyes a huge amount. It's fine. But it's just not really as good as I know Charlotte Tilbury's eye products are. I do like the highlighter. I think that glided on really nicely and it actually made the blusher look even better than it did on its own. I do like the lip as well. I think that's nice. It's okay. I don't think it's anything I would recommend. I don't think you really need to go and get this. I think you've probably got makeup in your collection that's better and more suited to you. I think it's a bit restrictive and a bit expensive if you want to get more personalized, and I think that's a little bit of a missed opportunity. What I'll do is I'll put a little bit more on, see if I can get any more pigment out of it, and see if we can get any more color. So guys, that is it. That's my finished look. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, guys. Will you be buying it? Will you be trying it? Let me know. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We'd love to have you in the Slap family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.